If humanity had an homework for today, this would be the experimentation. Everybody gets to take home a two-dimensional circle drawn by thyself, each one of us, onto a paper. The homework is then to imagine what it is a circle in dimensions. What is the expansion of a circle throughout dimensions? And if every single one of us would be submitting a proposal of what your circle looks like, most likely by the recollection of all wisdom that is shared by the people about what is a circle, we would and will end up by concentrating, uniting the perspective of existence of us all, and now starting to compile information from the people, by the people, for the people. For at the end, that already exists within universities, communities, groups who specialize within knowledge. And the specialization of our pattern, our structural dimensional, which the one that I'm mentioning is not the hypothetical theory, it is the truest origin, structure of us all, which is unknown. Unknown within the directories, the permission of our society. And this permission is a distortion, for we are controlled in what and how to think. So if us all today play around the circle, we shall find different colors, different textures, densities. We shall find different ways of achieving one thought, one imagination. We will break the boundary of how it is to be taught to thyself, to oneself. How can I teach myself towards what is creation? And each and every single one of us, as co creators, have the capability throughout the senses, our own imagination, our sovereignty, our freedom to embark in a journey of unlimited parallel consciousness, thought, creation. This creation is a procreative process of us all. So the beauty lies within freedom. The freedom to look at one dot and describe how one dot can expand into the structure of reality, how one thought can be the holographic presentation of manifestation, how one can be all. It's an experience of thought. So it is attainable by anyone and every single one of us. It's possible. So the homework is draw a circle and start to think how that circle will evolve itself. For even though even the human race evolves, there's an evolution, there's an expansion, there's a path of creation, there's a path of co-creation. There is an intention, there is a thought, there is consciousness, there is knowledge within you. Now to draw a circle, a symbol, and realize who you are. For you are the circle. There is no distinction. So think of yourself as the circle. And what are you able to create out of a unity? What are you able to create out of a structure, so simple structure that is this creation of ours? There's no limit upon dimensions. There is no limit upon there is no limit upon the way one can create, the way one can be. There is no limit to anything. Only the limitation one is upon thyself. So we are talking about you and me. We are talking about the universe. We are talking about reality in a task, in a homework that us all can reply, think, imagine, and share. What does your circle look like? And go beyond. Some of us can look at the circle and think of it as the circle of your connections within this world. What about the connections of consciousness within you? The connections of energy within you, and they all start with you in this one circle. This is not just a circle that we create a balloon in order to see it fly. It is the circle of creation that explains us how to fly with this body, this mind, this spirit, Aho, and full of circles.